Hello students. Student, in continuation of this chapter, significant figure. Now I am going to discuss how to find significant figure in a given measurement. There are different rules written on the board. We will discuss one by one. Student, if there is a value written in your book measured by any instrument, then you have to assume that the measurement is correct. Now, in that correct measurement, how to find number of significant figure? It will be decided by these rules, and the first rule is all non-zero numbers are significant. If in a measurement, student, as you know, in a measurement there are only two type of digits may be written. First, non-zero numbers like from 1 to 9, and second type of digits are 0. So all non-zero numbers in a measurement are always significant. Suppose anyone measure length of any object like 185.623 centimeter. Student, don't think that which instrument is accurate like this. You have to think according to only rules written here. According to first rule, all non-zero numbers are significant. So in this measurement, there is no zero. All numbers written in this measurement are non-zero numbers. So all these 6 non-zero numbers are significant. So in this measurement, the total number of significant figures are 6. So student, in this measurement, the total number of significant figures are 6. There are 6 significant figures. So student, this first point is clear. In a measurement, all non-zero digits are significant. Student, अगर हम इसको ऐसे लिख दें 18.563 centimeter, then it has also 6 significant figure. If I will write like this 1.85623 centimeter, then it has also 6 significant figure. If you remove this decimal, then it has also 6 significant figure. Means there is no effect on the total number of significant figure by placing decimal at different places. So it is independent, the position of decimal place. So first rule is clear, all non-digits in a measurement are always significant figure. So in this measurement there are 6 significant figure. Now, second rule, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Suppose anywhere written 1.01003 kilogram mass is written. So in this measurement of mass, we will think how much total number of significant figure. We will use both law, first law as well as second law. According to first law, this one and this 3 are non-zero numbers, so they are significant. So non-zero numbers have 3 significant figure, and this 0 is occurring between two non-zero numbers, therefore it is significant. These 2 zeros are also occurring between two non-zero numbers, therefore it is also significant. So total number of significant figure in this measurement will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has also 6 significant figure. Student, if we remove this, then it has 3 significant figure. So student, if we write it 4, so it has also 3 significant figure. So if a 0 is lying between two non-zero numbers, then it is significant. So first rule is what? All non-zero numbers are significant. And second rule, if 0 are so many zeros occurring between two non-zero numbers, then they are significant. So in this measurement there are three significant figures. Now, third rule. All zeros to the right of a non-zero digit have no decimal point or non-significant. For example, in the measurement of this 864.00 second, it is the number of second in 1 hour, in 24 hours. So in this measurement, these two zeros are not taken as significant figure. So in this measurement, there are only three significant figures, only 864 from first law. So in this measurement, only there are three significant figures. Student, listen once more. All zeros to the right of a non-zero decimal, non-zero digit. So these two zeros are right to the non-zero digit, have no decimal point, and there is no decimal point, so it is non-significant. So these two zeros are non-significant. So in this measurement, there is only three significant figures. By first law, according to the first law, all non-zero numbers are significant. So in this measurement, there is only three significant figures. Now, see, student, fourth rule. All zero to the right of a non-zero digit. Student, I will explain this 4 and 5 simultaneously so that you can understand properly. Otherwise, you can get confused. So, read this 4 and 5 simultaneously with me. First one is what? All zero to the right of a non-zero digit, but to the left of decimal point are significant. For example, if we write this value in this way, in which I put a decimal point, and after decimal point there are again two zero written. So if there is decimal point, then these two zero are called significant. Student, there is no decimal point, then it is non-significant. But if there is decimal point and before this these zeros are written, so it is significant. And student, according to this fifth law, all zero to the right of decimal point, all zero to the right of decimal point are also significant. So in this measurement, there are total 3 to 5 to 7 significant figures. So in this measurement, there are 7 significant figures. From first law, these three are significant. From this fourth law, these two are significant. From fifth law, these two zeros are also significant. So if decimal is written in a measurement, then the zeros which are lying to the left of zero are significant, and the zeros which are lying also to the right of decimal are also taken as significant figure. So in this measurement, there are total 7 significant figures. Now student, 2 points left. All initial zero to the right of decimal point. Listen once more. All initial zero to the right of decimal point, but on the left of non-zero digit are non-significant. All initial zero to the right of a decimal point, but to the left of non-zero number. For example, if anywhere written 136 0.00125 centimeter. So these two zero are non-significant figures. According to this rule, all zero which are right to the decimal place but before the non-zero numbers, left to the non-zero digits, so these zeros are non-significant figure. So these zeros are non-significant figure. Listen once more बच्चों, एक बार ध्यान सुनिए. डेसिमल के बाद अगर कोई भी नंबर लिखे हैं और उसमें डेसिमल के तुरंत बाद अगर जीरो आ रहा है, तो ये जीरो नंबर सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं होगा. ये केवल 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर होंगे. तो इस मेजरमेंट में केवल 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है. तो बच्चों ये देखिए रूल क्या है. all initial zeros, these zeros. This rule is talking about these two zeros. So all initial zero to the right of decimal place, but on the left of non-zero digits. These are non-zero digits, so these zeros are left to the non-zero digits, so they are not significant. And the last one is this point I discussed, that there is no effect of decimal point in counting the significant figure. Student, please write all these rules carefully and try to understand yourself, and if any problem, repeat this video minimum 2 or 3 times so that you can understand what I explained you. Thank you. Please see it and write it. Pause this video and write it. All 7 rules are very important to calculate significant figure in a measurement. Thank you.